Hi beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. Have you been struggling with slow hair growth, thinning hair or breakage? No matter what you try. So what if I told you that something as simple as guava leaf might be the solution to that your hair problems you have been praying for? So stay tuned. I will show you how to use it to grow your hair extremely faster and how to use it to solve those your hair problems. What we need is fresh leaf of guava leaf, and I believe that guava tree is everywhere. Just go to the tree and pluck the leaf, okay? And you have been looking for a natural remedy that will help you to solve your hair problems. You don't know that guava leaf is a solution to that your hair problems. After today's video, you will never allow that guava tree in your compound to rest, because this is the solution to that your hair problems. And the good part of it, there are different ways you can use this guava leaf to solve your hair problems. On today's video is the one of the best way to use this guava leaf to solve your hair problems. Guava leaf promotes hair growth, rich in vitamin B and C, which help nourish the scalp and boost the growth of new hair and strong the hair strands. Guava leaf help to reduce hair shedding and hair breakage, strengthen the hair follicles from the roots, help to reduce excessive hair fall and shedding. The antimicrobial and the antifungal property in guava leaf help treat itching scalp, dandruff and scalp infection. Guava leaf helps stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Guava leaf are rich in antioxidants, which help prevent premature green hair and hair damage. With consistency of using guava leaf, help thicken thinning hair and give it a fuller, healthier looking hair. So after plugging it out of the stain, I went off camera to wash it the first wash. So this one is the second wash of it. It's very important you wash this leaf to remove dirty and impurities, okay? So next thing to bring my blender to pour in this leaf inside my blender. I need blender to extract out the juice. If you don't have blender, you can use your local mortar to pound it. What we need is the juice. So we need something that will help us to extract out this guava juice. After putting my guava leaf into my blending cup, I need to add water on it to help to blend it and also to get the guava juice, okay? So just add little water on it, okay? Depending on the quantity of guava leaf you are using. So I'm going to blend this. So you see how I crush this, okay? My blender really did a good job. Just blend until the guava leaf has crushed into a very smooth paste. To collect our guava juice, we need a help of bowl and sheaf cloths. This part is very necessary. Use something that have very tiny hole to strain it so that the residues or the particles of this guava leaf will not stuck on your hair, okay? So use something that's very tiny hole so that you get pure guava juice. Do you see how rich, potent this guava juice look like? It's so greenish, so potent, guys. There's no joke with this guava juice. This guava juice will grow your hair 10 times faster, solve those your hair problems. There is no joke. I mean it when I said it. This is a solution to that your hair problems, and you will testify when you try it, okay? So next thing I will do now is to bring my spray bottle to transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. So I will demonstrate to you on how to use this guava juice to grow that your hair extremely faster, solve those your hair problem and boost crazy hair growth. So this is how my hair is. My hair is in big twins. I put my hair in big twins because I don't have time for now to put my hair in protective hairstyle. That's why I always said that if you don't have chance to put your hair in protective hairstyle, please put your hair in big twins or big braid. It can also serve you as a protective hairstyle. Like this one, I can carry this one up to 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, so don't always wear your hair out if you really want to grow your hair, and also if you want to retain length, and also if you want your hair to be thicker. Don't always wear your hair out. Okay, there are different ways you can use this guava juice to grow your hair. So I will show you one way to use it to grow your hair, and also I will tell you the other ones you can also use them to grow your hair. So I'm just applying it on my hair. Okay, I'm focusing on my scalp because that's where the hair problem come from. If you are shedding excessively, focus on your scalp. If your hair is thin, you want to thicken up your hair, both from the scalp and the strand of your hair is very important. And if your hair is always falling excessively, both on the scalp is where the problem is coming from. So if you are using it for the sake of hair growth, apply it generously on your hair. Okay, but if your hair is healthy, your hair is thick, you are just looking for a remedy that will help you to stop that your excessive hair fall or hair shedding, focus this recipe on your scalp because hair shedding and hair fall come from the scalp. Okay, so for me, I'm using it for general healthy of my hair. Okay, so I'm going to apply it both on the scalp and also on the strand of my hair for that best result. Like as I said, there are different ways to use this guava juice to grow your hair. So you can use it as your final thin rinse. You can use it as your pre-poo. You can also use it as your leave-in condition. But if you want to use it as your leave-in condition, you will do boiling method or infusion method. Okay, but this guava juice, use it as your pre-poo or final thin rinse. Okay, final thin rinse is after shampooing your hair, pour it all over your hair, cover up your hair for 1 hour or 2 hours. After then, rinse it out and deep condition your hair. You can also not to deep condition your hair, you can just rinse it out. This will not dry your hair, it will not do any harm on your hair. Okay, so whether deep condition your hair or not deep condition your hair, just use it on a clean scalp to get that best result. So for you to see the faster results on this guava juice, I would advise you to use it as your final thin rinse. Don't use it as a pre-poo, because when you use it as a pre-poo, you will still use shampoo to shampoo your hair, and some nutrients of this guava juice will go out of your hair. So if you want the faster results with this guava juice, please use it as your final thin rinse. Okay, and you can use this guava juice, you can use it every day. There is nothing to worry about. This will not dry your hair, it will not do you any harm at all. Okay, but whenever you use it, just moisturize your hair for the good health of your hair, for your hair not to dry or break. But this guava leaf will not dry your hair, it will not break your hair, just for the good health of your hair. I hope you're understanding me. So after applying it on your hair, make sure that you massage your scalp. It's very important. Applying this guava juice on your hair without you massaging your scalp it will not work for you at all. So just massage your scalp for you to see that best result on your hair. Okay, so I will use the cellophane nylon to cover up my hair, allow my hair to sit for 2 hours. I leave mine for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, I went to the bathroom and rinse it out. Just rinse out and I'll moisturize my hair, nothing else. So this is how you can use this guava juice to grow your hair. Please do not store this guava juice. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful to you. I have come to end of today's video. If you have not liked, please help me like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.